At Albertsons, you are going to score a deal on a gallon of milk. They have a great sale happening on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you clip the coupon, anytime during those days, you can get a gallon of milk for just $1.48. During that same sale, you can clip a coupon for 3 pounds of strawberries for just $2.99. So clip them and save. The temperature is rising, so get refreshed by having some green seedless grapes for just 97 cents per pound at Bashas'. You can purchase up to 4 pounds at that price. Score a great price on asparagus at Fry's. You can buy asparagus for just 97 cents per pound. At Food City, you can purchase a whole chicken for just 78 cents per pound. They come in 2 packs, and you can buy 2 for that price. I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted on our site. Just head over to abc15.com/smart shopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.
Now we're